What up, homies, what up? Leave a like and a comment down below if you guys want to support, because I'm not really getting a lot of views, but I'm just starting out. My stuff might be boring, but hey, we all love cars, and I like seeing people do this kind of stuff on YouTube and show their build, so I'm gonna show my build. I don't care if I get a lot of views or not, but it would be cool if you do a like or whatever, or tell me if my stuff sucks and is boring. Well, other than that, today I got some in the mail, package in the mail from Edge Auto Sports. You know, they're really good at selling Mazda Speed stuff and a few other cars like the Focus ST and I think some Hondas or some Nissans. I'm not too sure, but let's go open the package and see what's inside. These Mazda keys are really cool because they're like switchblades, and I literally use them every time I open a package. It's not anything really big in particular or cool really, but shoot, it's gonna make the car look better, and it's just better to have it. I got the JBR silicone BPV recirculation hose because my old one was cracking and stuff. This one's silicone, so you know, silicone's always better than rubber. And so yeah, let's go put this piece on the speed. Okay, I took the intake out, and then I had to take this inlet. I didn't have to take the inlet off. I had to take the SRI off, or whatever, the TIP or whatever, the little tip right here to the intake, this thing. So you're gonna have to take that off to get to down here to where the circulation hose goes. Then I took it off, so now we're gonna go, that's the old one. I'm gonna put this bad boy in. They did come some of these, but honestly I don't want to use both of these on that. I'll use it to connect to the BPV, but down here I think I'm gonna just use the regular small little like clamps they use. So I'm gonna use this one to have it down here, because I don't know, there's no room like to have a screwdriver or anything in here to take them off, so I'm gonna put it in there, but there is room right here, so I'll put one of these on there, and then if I need any of these extra for like, I don't know, I'm gonna need them eventually, so let's get on. I test fitted it and it's too long, so I'm gonna have to cut that piece like about an inch, say an inch and a half, so let's go do that. Okay, just cut a little piece off, so now let's test fit the hose, and hopefully and yeah, that's good. It's maybe a little too long, but honestly I'd rather have it longer than shorter, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna squeeze this and then move it back there, and then take it off from here, and then put the one of these that came with on right there, and yeah, let's do it. So just got the clamp back there, and now I'm just gonna tighten this right here. This is what they gave me with the JBR mount. Just tighten it there, and that's it, and it looks way better than the stocker. So there you guys go, got it tightened up, and now look at that, looks pretty good. And then I got the short shift plate. Yeah, it's pretty much there, and have everything put back together like stock. You can see it down there. Yeah, you can see a little bit. And then the cork sport, looking good.